We use water every day for various purposes. But can you guess how old the water we all use today is? It is believed that the first fishes on the earth swam in the same water we use today. The extinct dinosaurs are believed to have waded through it. And even our prehistoric ancestors have used the same water. Yes, it's true. The water present on the earth is as old as the earth itself. It just keeps on circulating between the earth's surface and its atmosphere. This natural mechanism is called water cycle. Most of the water on the earth is present in the oceans. Ocean water contains a large amount of dissolved salts. Hence, it is not suitable for human consumption. However, oceans play a very important role in the water cycle. They help in replenishing the freshwater sources on Earth. Let's see how the water cycle works. The first stage in the water cycle is evaporation. In this stage, water from the Earth's surface turns into vapor and moves into the atmosphere. Let's see how this happens. During the daytime, water present in the oceans and other water bodies gets heated up. As a result, it evaporates into the air, leaving behind salts and other impurities. Land areas also lose water through the process of evaporation and transpiration. Water present in the soil and in groundwater sources is lost through evaporation, while plants lose water from the surface of the leaves through transpiration. The second stage in the water cycle is condensation, in which clouds are formed. Let's see how. Warm air is lighter. Hence, it begins to move upwards into the atmosphere. The water vapor present in the air also moves along with it. At higher altitudes, the temperature is low. As a result, the warm air starts cooling down. The water vapor present in the air also begins to cool down and condense into tiny droplets of water. Millions of these water droplets form clusters and keep floating in air. These clusters are called clouds. The third stage in the water cycle is called precipitation. In this stage, the water lost through evaporation moves from the atmosphere back to the Earth's surface. Let's see how this happens. As the clouds get laden with water droplets, they become heavy. When the clouds can no longer hold the water droplets, the droplets start falling on the earth. This is called rainfall or precipitation. In cold places, the water droplets in the air freeze into tiny ice crystals called hail. In extremely cold places, the water droplets freeze to form soft flakes of snow. Rain, hail, and snow are three types of precipitation. The last stage of the water cycle is called collection. In this stage, the precipitated water either falls directly into the oceans, rivers, ponds, and lakes, or seeps into the soil and is stored as groundwater. The excess or runoff water that is not soaked by the soil flows downhill into rivers. Most of the rivers finally flow back into the ocean. Some rivers also flow into lakes. The whole cycle starts all over again. In this manner, the water cycle works to maintain the supply of fresh water on the earth.